Welcome ASE Labs readers. Today we'll be featuring the ICDock screwless internal 3.5-inch serial ATA hard drive enclosure. Remember to keep up on the latest from ASE Labs by going to www.ASELabs.com. Also remember that these videos are supplements. The full reviews are located on the website, so please do check it out. The unit fits in the 5.25-inch drive bay, which is fine if you have a few of them open. It's also great if you actually swap hard drives a lot like I do. Since I do a lot of product reviews, I use a specific hard drive for my reviews themselves. So it's a pain in the ass when I have to actually open the computer up to swap the hard drive. With this thing, it's great. I just pop the unit open and take it out and put another one in. Let's take a tour of the unit now. Right here is the key lock for use with the key that comes with the unit. It's a simple key. Most kind of computer locks have this kind of simple key, but it gets the job done for locking in place. And you can see the LCD screen in the center of the unit along with the control buttons on the bottom. So let's zoom in on the unit and see how it functions. So the LCD itself displays a couple of different items, but the main one you should notice is the temperature right here. My temperature in the hard drive enclosure is 29 degrees C, which is okay. And the upper left here you could see the hard drive activity indicator. So let me see if I could show you how that works by doing some activity on the hard drive. Okay, there it goes. And you can see that the hard drive is spinning. Hopefully the video doesn't cut out. And it just stops, so it works pretty well. You can see that there's a slave indicator on the LCD as well. It's probably a holdover from the old IDE days, because serial ATA doesn't have that kind of slave and master. But I just left it on slave anyway. You can select whatever you want. The upper right here shows that the fan is turning. And this is another temperature gauge, which I'll explain how that works later. But let's see how the buttons work. See, this is set button. Okay, you could set what temperature style you want, Fahrenheit or Celsius. I'm going to stick with Celsius. Press set again. Now this is the warning temperature. If it goes over this temperature, the unit will go into alarm. So it's pretty handy if you leave your system and not notice that the temperature is high or low, but I don't need it, so I'm just going to leave it on 50 degrees C. This is what actually controls this little temperature gauge right here. So it's like a scale. So I have it at 50 degrees, and you notice it's pretty much in the center because at 20, it's at 30, 29, somewhere around there. So that's how that works. Well, let's see what these up and down buttons do. It's an hour meter, just like an engine on a boat. So you can see that the total time that this unit's been on is 2 days and 8 hours. So I've been using this unit for 2 days and 8 hours, and I have been using it. I swap drives out for reviews, just like the one I'm doing right now. ICDock makes really cool products, and I'm very happy with this. It works as expected. Thumbs up from me. Thank you for listening and reading.